Sometimes all you need is just space. All you need to become the person you need to be is just space. Guy, just go find one space. Like, stop to dey see people, or stop going outside, or just find a dark place and become that best version of yourself. Right? Just go and hide somewhere. So I think you just go and hide. You're always contemplating, you're always being derived by what people think or what people say. I mean, if you are too ashamed to do anything, if you are too shy to do anything, then go and hide. Go and hide. Go and hide somewhere. Go and hide somewhere, and you know you need to delete. You need to delete all your social media apps, your TikTok, your Facebook, your YouTube. The content you're consuming, they are taking a very ill impact on you. Cut them out and think. Even if it's like 10 minutes, think about the phase that you are. Think about your situation. Think about what you're going through. And you're dumb scrolling. You're never gonna realize that you're scrolling. You will realize sooner, but don't realize late. And just take a moment to think. Take a moment to breathe. What are you doing with your life? Take a moment off all those apps and get busy. The moment you open TikTok, you're going to check someone else's profile. While your profile, you have never posted a video one day. You've never started anything one day. Every time you go on TikTok, you're going to, spy on other people. You're not building yourself. Man,